Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking adult websites on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac. Choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Click Screen Time from the left sidebar. Click Content and Privacy from the Screen Time options. Turn on the toggle in the top right corner. Choose Content Restrictions from the menu that appears. To the right of Access to Web Content, click on Unrestricted Access and change it to Limit Adult Websites. If you click on Customize, you can choose to allow or restrict specific websites by tapping the plus and adding a website to either category, by adding the URL and then clicking Done. Adult websites are now restricted on your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.